Hello student, topic number 9, financial account of a proprietary concern, and lecture number 4, balance sheet. Balance sheet is not an account but a positional statement showing the financial position of the firm as on a given date in the form of assets and liability. On the left hand side of the balance sheet, closing balance of all types liabilities are shown. On the right hand side, closing balance of all types of assets are shown. Balance sheet is a financial positional statement and not an account. It discloses the financial position of the business in the form of assets and liabilities. It is prepared at a particular date, usually as on the last date of accounting year. It is a summarized statement of all those ledger account which do not find place in the trading account and profit and loss account. Closing balance of real account and personal account and prepare in the balance sheet. Here is the two sides, asset sides and liability side. Classification of assets: fixed assets, current assets and fictitious assets. Fixed assets means are those assets which are acquired for a relatively long period. These are permanent in nature. These assets are not meant for resale. They are used in business again and again for earning income. For example, plant and machinery, land and building, furniture, etc. And current account are those assets which are acquired with the intention of converting them into the cash during the accounting year. Current assets are also called calculating assets as their nature goes on charging continuously. The term current assets includes cash and bank balance, stock of goods, raw material and work in progress, bills receivable, debtors and short term investment. Fictitious assets: these assets are not represented by tangible possession of property. They are imaginary assets but do not have exchange value. For example, preliminary expenses, deferred revenue expenses like advertisement supports, as well as other side is a liability side. There are also three part: fixed or long term liability. These are the liability which do not become due from a payment in 1 year. In other words, these liabilities are to be paid after a long period, for example, long term loan, debenture, capital, etc. Current liability are to be paid within 1 year, for example, bills payable, bank overdraft, creditors, outstanding expenses, short term loans, etc. And the contingent liability is not actual liability. It may or may not be actual liability. It may occur after uh, happening of any event, for example, bill of exchange, discounted, works compensation claim in court. It should be written as footnote below the balance sheet. The specimen of balance sheet. बॅलन्स शीट हे अकाउंट नाही आहे, बॅलन्स शीट हे स्टेटमेंट आहे. यामध्ये असेट्स अँड लायबिलिटीज अशा दोन साईड्स असतात. आता यामध्ये तुम्हाला काही एक्स्ट्राची इन्फॉर्मेशन दिलेली नाही आहे म्हणून मी असेट्स आणि लायबिलिटी साईड्सचं मेन पार्ट जे आहे ते एक्सप्लेन करून सांगितले आहेत. या ठिकाणी स्पेसमेन आहे, तुम्ही तुमच्या टेक्स्टबुकमध्ये स्पेसमेन बघू शकता. कॅपिटल, नेट प्रॉफिट, जे प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटचा जो काय प्रॉफिट असेल, नेट प्रॉफिट हा कॅपिटलमध्ये ॲड होतो. तर लॉस असेल तर तो लेस होतो. दोनापैकी एकच काही असणार आहे, दोन्ही नसणार आहेत. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कॅपिटल असेल तर ते ॲड होणार, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग असेल तर ते लेस होणार. लेस म्हणजेच तर काय, तर तो ड्रॉइंगमध्ये ॲड होतं आहे. देन ह्या ज्या आहेत बँक ओव्हरड्राफ्ट, सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर्स, बिल्स पेबल, आउटस्टँडिंग एक्सपेन्सेस, प्रीपेड इन्कम, हे सगळे आपले करंट लॅबिलिटीज आहेत. अदर साईडला कॅश इन हँड, कॅश ॲट बँक, बिल्स रिसिबल, डेप्टर्स ह्या करंट असेट्स आहेत. गुडविल, फर्निचर, प्लांट अँड मशिनरी, लँड अँड बिल्डिंग ह्या आपल्या असेट्स आहेत, फिक्स असेट्स आहेत, ज्यामध्ये टँजिबल इंटँजिबल असते. प्रीपेड एक्सपेन्सेस, आउटस्टँडिंग इन्कम, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ह्या करंट असेट्स झालेत आपल्या. थँक्यू.